How to start investing. Many people enter a job market right after school and jump right into life feet first. Money comes in from a job, then goes right out to liabilities, food, entertainment, all necessities and pleasures in life. This is often called being stuck in a rat race. Every month is the same thing. Money comes in, money goes out. Once you're stuck in it, it's very difficult to get out. But not impossible. Now, money you make in your job is dependent on your ability to perform a task or function and amount of time put into that task or function. Essentially, it is trading time for money utilizing a learned skill. But this can't possibly go on forever, can it? What happens when you get too old to perform these same tasks required for a job? Unfortunately, for some people it goes on for a very long time. And when people who don't invest in things that will bring in income whether they work or not can't work anymore, they don't have anything to help them live as comfortably as they are today. Until most people get into a career job that offers good benefits. Money is rarely put toward investments. Money is made and spent as fast as it's made, giving a person necessities and comforts of life at the time and then some, but not allowing much for a prosperous future once job income stops. Everyone at some point in their life must face the reality that a job is not going to give them everything they want or need in life, especially a life after retirement age. Investing is something best figured out early in life. To understand how important investing is, you must first understand what investing is. An investment is a method of making money from a one-time effort. Sometimes this effort can be intense and take some time, but it can provide income for many years to come without having to put forth that same effort or time. If you do a bunch of research to buy a house to use as an investment, you only have to do that research one time. Once you buy an investment, it will make money for you with very little effort. If you write a book and put it on a website to sell, you only had to write a book one time and it will make money for as long as it is active on the website or in a bookstore. If you research a company stock and find a perfect one, investing some money in it, money then starts doing work and making money without you having to do anything. These are just simple investment examples that do take some effort. The point is that making money from investments is a lot easier than making money at a job if you know what you're doing. A huge difference between an investment and a job is how much time and effort someone has to put into making money. Cool thing about investing in the stock market, whether it be traditional buy, hold, sell trading, or options, is that you only have to learn how to do it once, keep repeating what you learned, and let each dollar you invest do all of the rest of the work for you so you can enjoy life as it was intended. Of course, there is one huge problem that everybody faces before they can invest. Where do you get money to use to make money? Don't worry. You have money. You just don't know it yet. There are ways to make a few changes in your life to start building up capital for investing, no matter what type of investing you are looking to start. It will be slow at first, but it will definitely morph into something you won't believe possible. One way to build up investment capital fairly quickly is opening a Roundup savings account. This type of capital growing account actually helps you save and build money based on your everyday purchases. You attach your checking accounts or credit cards that you spend money onto your Roundup account, and for each purchase you make, this account rounds up to the nearest dollar and deposits that rounded up cash into an investment platform that helps your savings grow faster. Not much work, is it? This special investment account does the rest. For example, if you spent $20.57 on something, it rounds that up to $21. The roundup, or 43 cents, is placed in your account, which is divided among several stocks based on account settings. If you make 50 purchases from your checking account in a month averaging 35 cents a roundup, you will save $17.50 in that month. That's $210 in a year saved just by rounding up these purchases. Money invested in this roundup account goes up and down with stock market movement. At 5% gain in a year, it will go up by $10.50 more. And some stocks that your money is invested in earn dividends that are automatically reinvested into your account. This doesn't sound like much, but over time, it will continue to grow. This is an investment in itself and can grow pretty fast if you are consistently adding to it. If you have extra money you'd like to save during a month, you can also make deposits to apply them to your account to grow your account even faster. A Roundup savings account is simply a stepping stone to get you to a higher level of investing, which can be a stock trading, option trading, a retirement investment account, real estate, or anything else you can invest that money in to make more money. Once you build up some good investment capital in your Roundup account, you can withdraw it whenever you want and use it to purchase assets, things that earn you money, unlike liabilities, or to invest in stocks to make even more money over time. Save your money and subscribe. You will learn more.